What's going on, guys? My name's George. I'm going to be making videos on the Broke the Built contest for Prime MX. This is my '04 ktm125. It's the first time I've ever made any kind of video about me really building bikes or anything. I built quite a few. I've had a RM125. I've had a DRZ 400 that I built. I also have a KLX 110 that I have built right now. So this is gonna be my next build right here. But yeah, motor's locked up. So we got a full motor rebuild to do on it, and to make this hideous bike look decent, I guess. Yeah, I'm not too much of a 90s bike style person, and this really looks like a 90s bike to me. So already got a couple parts in for it. Still got a lot to order. So yeah, over the course of the next few months, probably will be building this. I'd rather get it done sooner than later. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me in building this bike, and I don't know, I guess see how it goes. It's a little weird for me. I've never recorded myself before. It's kind of weird just looking at my phone and talking in an empty garage. But yeah, so for now, you're gonna strip it down, and we'll start from there, see how it goes. What the fuck is this?